start off today with, just starting with a plain square or rectangle. You guys are going to expand this square. A reminder, if you hold the Shift key down as you're dragging any of these shape tools, you'll get a perfect square. And I'm going to actually have you start with a square. But remember, since we're expanding the square, it's got to have space around it. If it has no space around it, you're going to run into problems, okay? So in this case, I'm going to start off with a completely black square. You may decide to remove the outer stroke. In some ways, it'll make it easier to remove things from the inside. But again, you will need eventually to get a little bit of an outer stroke on there just so we can see it, all right? So if I come over here and I put that in the center of my page, you're going to see that this, once it hits the center, it pops up with the word center. So it'll actually tell you that you're in the center of your page, both vertically and horizontally aligned, okay? So at this next step, you're going to start removing shapes from the interior, but some of you will take this very first step, and instead of removing it, you'll be creating that shape on top of it in whatever that color might be. In this case, it's going to be white. So let me zoom in. I Control plus to zoom in. I Control minus to zoom out. I can also, if I'm really zoomed in, I can press Control 0 and it'll give you a full screen version. So those are a couple of keyboard shortcuts. That's how you see I am zooming in without doing anything on keyboard. You can also zoom in by typing a number, which is kind of time consuming, as well as using your zoom tool over here. Okay? So if I come in here with, I'm going to grab, remember, click and hold to create that curve. I click and hold right here, kind of alter that curve a little bit, and then I close that shape, which is very, very important. That little bubble pops up. I want to close the shape. So I've closed the shape, and I'm going to actually go into direct select because I missed on the top a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and select right over here, and actually, I'm going to come in and add an anchor point because I want to put this one right on the line. So I'm going to intersect with the path. I'm going to add an anchor point out there. I'm going to make sure it's a corner piece, and then I'm going to drag that one by selecting it and moving it right into place on that path. So everything is pretty well aligned. I'm going to have to go back in and fix that curve right here. I'm going to click on it to select it and then move it. So there we go. Everything is pretty well aligned. But I can also, I'm going to put it right on my selection tool. I'm going to nudge that up with my keyboard. Select it, nudge it up. That's about as far as it's going to let me go because I've got an outer stroke on it. Okay? So with that, I can now change that inner fill to white. Okay? I'm going to double click the hand or Control 0 to zoom out. I've got my inner fill as white. I'm going to remove the fill then from this box because I don't want to see that. I'm sorry, remove the stroke. My apologies. So now, as I remove the outer stroke on this one, now that's my starting shape. Okay? I may need to nudge this up just a tiny bit. There we go. I can grab this piece, and this is going to be a series of moves. I'm going to grab this piece, and I'm going to edit, copy it, and then I'm going to edit, paste it. So I have a second version of it right in place. I can actually put it right back where it came from. I need to now flip it. I don't want to have to rotate it and have some inaccuracies. Instead, I'm going to actually come up here. I'm going to go to my object, and I'm going to transform it. When I go into transform, I am going to reflect it. Just like a mirror reflection that would be right on that crease, I'm going to reflect it horizontally because it's on the horizontal side. Over here, I would reflect it vertically. So I'm on the horizontal, and I say, okay. Now, I need to then put this guy into place, but he's going to disappear until I fill it with the color that would have come from here. In this case, that would be black. At this stage, let me zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and click off of it and just make sure I study that this is beautifully placed. Zooming in, I missed it a tiny bit, so I'm going to grab that guy, use my keyboard to nudge that over with just my arrow key. I've now gone ahead and placed it beautifully. So that's sort of our entry-level expanding the square. Okay? So with that, let me zoom back out. With that, there are other methods you can use. Don't forget, put that pen tool back on your regular pen tool so you don't misuse it later. There are other ways of doing this that will be subtracting the piece so that you can move it out. I want to welcome those of you that are ready for that. Those of you that know how to do that, please feel free to do so. But this is a great way for all of my early illustrators to get started. By creating the shape, create the shape. I want you to edit copy and then edit paste. If you know keyboard shortcuts, there you go. You're going to change your fill style, and then you're also going to use your transform to reflect it. You reflect it on the horizontal if it's on top or bottom, and on the vertical if it's on left or right. For additional levels of challenge, you are also welcome, whether it's now or later. It would probably be better to do it later, to be honest with you. But you're also welcome to display your piece as if it were a diamond, for example, and have that be more of your thing. Okay? Now, additional levels of challenge for those of you who are ready for it. Again, that means I really, really want to encourage it. It's not just a plain shape here, but thinking about maybe I'm going to grab a little circle within the interior. Again, hold that shift key down for a perfect circle. That one is filled with glass. I'm nudging with my keyboard. I'm going to use my keyboard shortcuts though. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. There he is right there. I'm going to change his fill to white. I'm going to go ahead and grab it. If you grab that center point, you're not going to be able to move it, so you have to grab it off center. If you're having trouble, zoom in or use your keyboard. You will see though, let me get there, you'll see when it intersects point-wise, that purpley pink line comes up when you have them aligned. So utilizing shapes within shapes as well to add interest. Using some more intriguing shapes. Don't always rely on your most obvious shapes. You know, if you come in here and add extra pen points and put scallops on the end. But again, don't develop your shape after you've already reflected it. So you're going to have to delete this guys and recopy and repaste. So again, we're expanding the square. That's the beginning part of our Notan. Control minus to zoom out, Control plus to zoom in. We learned about the, again, reminder about the selection tool for refining, using shapes, using a pen tool, copying and pasting, and transforming reflections of your object. And that is what you're going to be doing first.